Welcome to Event and Volunteer Management. This is a brief introduction to using the event and volunteer management features within CRM. You should already have a baseline knowledge of the system from having taken navigation and system overview. So let's get started. The intent of C360 is to provide a complete 360-degree view of our constituents and is a multi-phase initiative. The implementation of the BBCRM system, which will replace Team Approach and BBEC, is Phase 1. This training is focused on ensuring that current TA BBEC users are prepared to use the new CRM system. In order to realize the full intent of C360, Habitat will need to complete Phase 1.5 and Phase 2. Personify's volunteer management integration for GV and TBW trips is part of the C360 project Phase 1.5, and 2.0 will be delivered. Blackbaud CRM is the center of our constituent relationship management. It is the system of record for our constituents and strives to provide a 360-degree view of the engagements our many types of constituents have had with HFHI. We have many ways information gets into the CRM database. Some of them include Luminate Online, which is used for distribution of email campaigns and processing the online donations associated with those campaigns. There's Habitat.org, which allows people to make donations, subscribe to newsletters, take advocacy actions, and register for HFHI events, and those actions are recorded in CRM. We have other systems such as Salesforce that manages HFHI entities and PIMS that manages volunteers. A subset of information from these systems is provided to CRM. Data is passed into IMOE for integrated campaign management. Data is given to third-party vendors to execute campaigns. And constituents receive and respond to campaigns. Can you answer the following question about the HFHI ecosystem? Great! Now that you can see how all of the applications work together, let's take a look at the process of creating an event. In this lesson, you'll learn about the high-level tasks that make up the event planning process. When you create and manage events in the Events functional area of Blackbaud CRM, you can track each event's progress, expenses, registration options, invitations, seating, and more. This valuable information helps you determine the financial success of your events. Habitat for Humanity International uses PIMS to support and manage volunteer activities and events. The primary area of focus in the C360 project is to design and configure the basic structure of HFHI's volunteer management program in Blackbaud CRM so that data is transmitted bidirectional between PIMS and CRM in a logical and useful way. To manage events in Blackbaud CRM, follow the steps outlined in the process diagram. Before you add a new event, you should search for the event in your database. Next, configure your event to include the name of the event, start date, end date, sites, and event category. Once you have configured and set up your event, send the invitation. Then accept registrations. Organize seating layout and assign attendees to seats. And finally, to determine the success of your event, you can generate event reports. Now that you've learned the process steps for event planning, in the next lesson you'll put those steps into action by adding an event in Blackbaud CRM.